Okay, read the definitions and write the word, then say. These are definitions for the words in the previous exercise. So let's see what they refer to. For example, number 1. It's got a lot of buildings and a lot of people. It's very big. What is that? Number 1 is city. Very good. Number 2. It's got water. It's wide. It isn't a river. It isn't a waterfall. What is it? Think and write. This is the answer. Lake. Number 3. It's hard. There is snow on the top. What is it? Think. It's a mountain. Number 4. It's got water all around it. It's got water all around it. What is it? An island. And number 5, it's got a lot of trees. It's got a lot of trees. What is it? It's a forest. How many did you have correct?